Hello and welcome to this charming and delightful Ranger Tugs R-31S, offered for sale by Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. This is a 360-degree video tour, so you don't have to look at me the whole time. Use your finger, your mouse to scroll left and right, up and down, even zoom in and out while I walk you through this beautiful boat. Ranger Tugs come very well equipped from the factory. This one's no exception. Large screen Garmin chart plotter with GPS, radar, AIS, sounder, even a rudder angle indicator, which was an add-on. You got your Volvo Penta digital engine display, Garmin autopilot with a wireless remote. You got bow and stern thrusters here on my right hand, also with a wireless remote. Raise and lower the anchor from here, nice VHF. You got great visibility, windshield wipers, defrost, all the stuff you'd expect. So there's a couple things about the R31 that isn't available on the smaller sister ships like the 29 or the 27. One of them is this very nice pilot house door that opens up. Great when you're docking, you can kick a fender over, hand over a line. Also makes accessing the foredeck very safe and easy. Up on the foredeck you also have a little bench seat that opens up, nice little table that goes in there. Great spot for enjoying a sundown or watching the sunset from some nice anchorage. Moving back a little bit, if we head over here, this helm seat here, great for passengers watching while you're underway. Flips over very easily. This dinette table folds out to expand. You can sit 2 here, 3 over there. And this seat also pivots around, which is a very nice feature. So you can seat 6 for dinner quite nicely. If you'd like some more counter space, the seat folds up and you got all that extra space. Nice refrigerator, you get a wine cooler down there. Over here, you got double stainless steel sink, little faucet comes out there. 2-burner propane stove with oven. Battery charger inverter. Battery monitors, Webasto forced air heater. Here's the EFoy fuel cell controller. You can set that up to come on and off whenever you like. Very cool feature. You can learn more about that in our listing. Midship cabin here. Much larger than the smaller sister ships. Got a great bench seat. Sleep 2 more here very comfortably. Quite a generous sized berth. You got some hanging space. This bench also pops up and you got your day head down there, which is very, very nice as well. Heading back into this very, very spacious cockpit. Look how much room we got here. You got a second refrigerator, you got a barbecue behind you over there. Nice high field lumen hull dinghy with Yamaha outboard Seawise davit system. You got a nice little bench seat here. Beautiful cockpit table fits in here as well. One of the coolest things about these R31s are these fold out seats here. Very easy. Kicks over like that. Now you can sit there, opens the space, makes it even wider. Sit outside the beam. Great visibility, can hang out looking outside. If you'd like more information about this beautiful boat, get in touch with me, Sam, at Vancouver Yacht Sales anytime by phone or email. Happy to get you on board for a private showing soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.